Making money online can be done in many ways, and the income varies based on the method you choose, your skill level, and the time you're willing to invest. Here's a breakdown of several popular online income streams, along with estimated dollar values. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to make money by offering your skills in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal. Income potential: 10 to 150 plus per hour, depending on your expertise. Personally, I have tried this method and didn't have much success. This method may be difficult to begin, but once you get a client base, there will be various opportunities. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate links. Platforms: Amazon Associates, Share, A-Sale, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Marketing. Income potential: $100 to $10,000 plus per month, depending on your website or audience size. I have tried this method and there are several different ways to do it. The hardest part is getting a following on social media or through a website. Once you have a following, this will be a powerful method. 3. Selling products online. You can sell physical or digital products online. 1. Platforms: Etsy for handmade, eBay, Amazon, Shopify. 2. Income potential: $200 $10,000 plus per month, depending on product demand and marketing. I have used this method and had quite a bit of success. Selling your old products or products you find for cheap can definitely create a profit. 4. Online courses and ebooks. If you have knowledge or expertise in a subject, you can create and sell digital products like courses or ebooks. 1. Platforms: Udemy, Teachable, Gumroad, Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing. 2. Income potential: $50 to $10,000 plus per month. 5. Blogging, vlogging. Blogging or creating a YouTube channel can lead to income through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. 1. Platforms: WordPress for blogs, YouTube, Medium, Patreon. 2. Income potential: $100 $10,000 plus per month. Personally, I'm not good at writing blogs, so I haven't tried this method. I just enjoy providing others with money-related guidance, as this is a subject I feel strongly about. It would be a good option for people who enjoy writing. 6. Remote work virtual assistant. Many companies hire virtual assistants or remote workers for various tasks like administrative duties, customer service, and technical support. 1. Platforms: Remote job boards, We Work Remotely, virtual assistant jobs. 2. Income potential: $10 to $50 per hour. 7. Stock photography. Photographers can upload their images to stock photo websites and earn royalties when people download them. 1. Platforms: Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock. 2. Income potential: $0 to $25 to $5 per image download, but this adds up with a large portfolio. If you're a photographer with unique images, this is a great option. 8. Online surveys and microtasks. You can complete surveys, test websites, or do small tasks for money. 1. Platforms: Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Amazon Mechanical Turk. 2. Income potential: $1 to $10 per hour. Swagbucks pays minimal, but you will earn a bit of cash using this website. 9. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. 1. Platforms: Shopify, Oberlo, AliExpress. 2. Income potential: $200 $10,000 plus per month, but requires strong marketing. 10. Transcription and translation. If you're fluent in multiple languages or have good listening and typing skills, you can make money transcribing audio files or translating documents. 1. Platforms: Rev, Transcribe Me, Django, ProZ. 2. Income potential: $15 to $30 per hour. 11. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular area, business, health, career, etc., you can offer coaching or consulting services. 1. Platforms: Clarity, FM, Coach.me, personal website. 2. Income potential: $50 or $500 plus per hour. 12. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate, online platforms. Investing in financial assets through platforms like stock trading or crypto exchanges can yield profits. Platforms: Robinhood, E-Trade, Coinbase, Fundrise. Income potential varies greatly, and there's risk involved. Stock trading can range from a few dollars to thousands of dollars, depending on your investments and the market's performance. Cryptocurrency: high volatility, so losses can vary significantly. I have had a lot of success with crypto, but it all depends on when you initially buy the coin. Following trends and reading blogs can help with this. In conclusion, the dollar values are estimations and can vary based on your skills, time commitment, and market conditions. It's important to choose a method that suits your interests and strengths to maximize your earning potential. Starting small and gradually increasing your efforts and expertise will help you grow your income over time.